The first cultivated carrots grown thousands of years ago in regions like Persia were mostly purple or yellow, not orange. These early carrots were very different from the bright orange carrots we see today. Purple carrots are rich in anthocyanins, the same natural pigments found in foods like blueberries and eggplants. These compounds help protect the body from cell damage and support heart health. The familiar orange carrot was developed by farmers in the Netherlands around the 17th century through selective breeding. They chose carrots that were sweeter, less bitter, and had a brighter color. Orange carrots contain a large amount of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin helps support good vision, healthy skin, and a strong immune system. Even though orange carrots are the most common today, purple carrots are still grown and sold in many places. Some people prefer them because of their unique color, slightly spicy taste, and extra antioxidants. Today you can find carrots in many colors: purple, yellow, red, white, and orange. And that's it for today's fun food fact. Who would have thought that carrots were once purple before the orange ones became popular? Nature is full of surprising stories just like this. If you enjoyed learning something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fun and amazing food facts. See you in the next video.